Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how to add Solflare extension. Well, it is quite a simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you want to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome in here. So after opening your Google Chrome or any kind of browser, now you have to go to the extension option. For the Google browser, you can simply just click on this three dot bar that you can see right here. And in here you can see the option of extensions in here, and after clicking on extensions you can see two different options: manage extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. Simply click on visit Chrome Web Store and this will take you to the web store of Chrome. And in here you can see the search bar right here, and you can start typing Solflare wallet. So after typing Solflare wallet, tap on enter button on your keyboard, and in here you can see the Solflare extension right here. Click on it, and after clicking on it, here you can see the option of add to Chrome. Simply click on it, and here you can see this will pop up, and simply click on add extension. And in here you can see your extension is being downloaded. It will take a few minutes. And now you have successfully added Solflare wallet extension on your Google Chrome browser. You can tap on this option right here, and you can see Solflare wallet is in the extension now. And you can simply just click on this option in order to pin it. And whenever you want to open the Solflare wallet, you can simply just click on this logo like this, and you can see now Solflare has been opened. And just like this, you can add Solflare extension on your browser. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.